In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate the AI service with Google Workspace Gemini. AI tools are essential in the modern digital workspace, and activating Google Workspace's Gemini feature is straightforward. Follow along, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have your AI service up and running. First, let's navigate to Google Workspace. It's your starting point where you manage all the services and tools available to you. Once you're on the Google Workspace homepage, your next step is to click on the Admin Console. You might see this on your dashboard or as a menu option. Either way, it's the hub for managing all your organization's Google services. Once you're in the Admin Console, you'll need to log in using your business email. This ensures that you have the necessary permissions to make changes and updates. After you input your business email, click Next or Sign in to proceed. Providing these credentials keeps your workspace secure and ensures that only authorized users can modify settings. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner where you find the Google Apps menu. Click on it to see a variety of icons, each representing different services within your Google Workspace. Look for the admin icon. It usually stands out with a gear or similar symbol. Clicking this will take you to a section where you can manage organizational settings and apps. Once in the admin settings, navigate to the Generative AI section. Generative AI is the category under which Gemini falls, and finding it should be straightforward if you follow the labels and icons provided. Now let's move on to accessing the Gemini app. In the Generative AI section, you'll find the Gemini app listed. Select it and this will bring you to the settings specific to Gemini. This is where you can configure how Gemini will interact with your organization and its users. Next, click on the User Access option. This step is crucial because it determines who in your organization can use the Gemini app. You'll see a list or a checkbox option for user permissions. To enable access, simply check the box that allows all users to access the Gemini app. This action broadens the scope of AI tools available to your team, enhancing overall productivity and innovation. Finally, ensure all changes you've made are saved by clicking on Save. Saving these settings will activate Gemini for all authorized users in your organization. And there you have it. Gemini is ready to empower your workspace with its AI capabilities. By following these simple steps, you can seamlessly integrate AI tools into your daily operations, paving the way for enhanced efficiency and creative problem solving. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials to help elevate your digital proficiency.